Hi, and welcome to our October release webinar. My name is Till Fryer, and today I would like to show you the new features and improvements our development team has accomplished during the past 30 days. If you have questions during the webinar, please use the comment section right below the video, and I will address as many questions as I can at the end of the presentation. Okay, I will go ahead and go through the list of highlights for this release. I'd like to start with the data exchange. We added a new exchange format for Microsoft Excel. You probably are aware of that we used to have a CSV format, and we still have it, but some people had problems with the CSV files in Excel, with Excel dropping leading zeros and product numbers. So in order to avoid this issue, we added Excel as a file type for the data exchange. You will have the same exports and imports available like CSV, just optimized for Microsoft Excel. You can add this feature in your data exchange area. Just type Excel in the search and click Add. The next highlight is manual price changes. As you know, it's possible to change prices manually at the register. Unfortunately, this caused confusion for store managers when they came across receipts with prices they could not explain. Now you have the ability in the Cloud Receipt archive under Sales to see whether a price was set manually. In order to use this feature, go into your receipt archive and activate the option Mark Price Changes. Manually changed prices will appear red. You also have the option to specifically search for receipts with changed prices. The receipt list also got a few more improvements. For one, you can now filter the list without having to select a specific organizational unit, which makes it easier to look for certain transaction types across your whole organization. In addition to that, you can now also hide the filter section to have a better visual on your result list. This improves the experience a lot for people with smaller screens. Now let's have a quick look at the evaluation section. We have improved quite a few of reports, and I would like to start with the customer group report. Here you can now see the breakdown by commodity groups for each customer group. So you see the total revenue by customer group, and underneath it's broken down by commodity group. This should give you a better understanding of your customer groups. The second improvement is the volume report. Here we added a supplier filter, which enables you to filter the product list by supplier. Another report filter was added for the prepaid transactions. Here you have an option to enter a specific receipt number to look for individual prepaid transactions by receipt. The last evaluation improvement you can find in the Supplier Sales report. This report summarizes your stock receipts by supplier. In this release, we added an option that allows you to filter the report by stock receipt status, such as booked or open. When it comes to buying and receiving, we also made another improvement. Let's go into a stock receipt right here. And this affects stock receipts and dispatch notifications. If the stock receipt or dispatch notification is related to a specific order, you can now click on the order number and it will take you directly to the matching order. In addition, you can also now find a search bar in all inventory related lists, such as stock receipts, inventory count lists, or stock orders. This allows you to search for specific items. on the receipt. Another exciting new feature for all Corona franchise users is the franchise product synchronization. If your account is linked to a franchise, you have probably already been able to benefit from the franchise order portal, which can save you a lot of time in data entry. Now you also have the option to perform an update on all of your franchise products without placing an order through the order portal. This new feature can be found under More in your product list. Once you click this button, it will update all existing franchise products in your database. The last improvement I would like to show here is affecting the point of sale. Many of you are already using widescreen monitors, which are getting more and more common for point of sale now. Unfortunately, until now, widescreen monitors didn't really give you the capability to add more buttons to your screen. This has changed now. You're now able to set up button layouts with 4 columns instead of only 3. This means you can have more buttons on your screen, which can improve your checkout speed drastically if you use a lot of buttons for checking out customers. Okay, I hope you all like the changes we made. As you know, there's a lot more to come each month, and we'll try to make these webinars a habit from now on to keep everyone in the loop about what's happening and what new features have we added and which ones might improve your business. So I'll move on to the questions now. Feel free to submit any more questions you have, and yeah, give me just a second to read through here and I will get to the answers right away. Okay, we have a first question. Can we add a text for the cashier to add and explain why they changed the price? Answer is yes, we can do that using an info text. You can even program the free info text function right with the price change function. That will require the cashier after the price change to add an info text right away. And you can also filter the receipt archive by info text. So I hope that answers your question. I'll wait a few more minutes here. So far that's the only question we got. So if you have any more questions, please feel free to ask them right now. Other than that, also feel free to reach out to us and contact our support if you have any additional questions or trouble using these new features. The email address is support@combase-usa.com. Alright, we just got another question. How can we learn more about update with integration with BeLoyal? Not sure what you mean exactly by that, but yeah, we do have the BeLoyal integration. I'm not, I don't have the information about BeLoyal, how far they are with their updates right now. Maybe, do you have a specific question regarding BeLoyal and functionality with BeLoyal? Okay, gift cards. All right. That is something that's still in the making. That's definitely coming. That's not part of a regular release, so we will probably see that sooner than the next release update. Unfortunately, it's not available quite yet, but we expect to see that become available during the next couple of weeks. Okay, looks like we have no further questions at this point. So I'd like to thank everybody for watching and joining us here in the webinar. As I said, we'll try to make this a habit from now on, so we'll have a webinar each month right after each release. And if you have any further questions, feel free to contact our support at combase-usa.com, or use the support function within Corona. Okay, so I hope everyone has a good day, and thanks for watching.